5 different wigs, 5 different colors, 1 brand in 5 minutes. I can't wait to get started. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome in. Thanks for joining us today. I do a little series I call 5 wigs in 5 minutes, where I quickly show you 5 different wigs. Well, one of these wigs I have in 2 different colors, so I'm going to show you that. But this is not a wig review. This is just quickly showing you some of these wigs. And if you see one that you really like and you want to know more about, just type the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel and the full review will come up. And that's going to show you cap construction, talk about density, permatease, fit, indoor and outdoor color. All of that is in the full reviews of this. This is just a fun series that I enjoy putting together for you, where I show you some of my favorite styles. Okay, quickly, first of all, we're going to focus on Hollie. Y'all, this wig is so gorgeous, so beautiful. This wig was sent to me by WIGS.com. I'm going to put a link in the drop-down box where you can save on this wig. So if you're interested in it, just go to the link in the drop-down box. I love this wig, everything about it. Large mono top, hand-tied cap, extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. It is beautiful, absolutely a beautiful style. So much movement. This is my get out the door style. I throw this on and go. The color I have here is 12 FS12, and then the color of this one is FS63027. Would love this. Y'all, if you haven't tried Hollie, I would just encourage you to give it a try. No permatease, low density, always looks good. Someone's always going to ask you where you got your hair done when you wear this wig. It is really special. This is one I just keep reaching for. This is Jon Renau Clementine 8RH14. I love this. Look at all this movement. Now this is your basic bob. If you're looking for just a bob that is straight, low density, throw on and go, you can style this in lots of ways. It has a beautiful length. I love this. This is nice, a very wearable, nice length. I like this wig. This is a wig we all know and love, have seen it so many times. This is January, and this is the new color this year of Catalina Blonde. Love the beachy waves of January. I think it is so pretty, but to me, this is a true summer blonde. Very highlighted around the face, very chunky blonde highlights around the face. Just like I said, a true summer blonde. Another classic style from Jon Renau. This is Julienne Light, and this color is 101 F48T. Have you tried this wig? I want to know how many of you love this wig, but also, have you tried this color? I think this is such a beautiful, beautiful color from Jon Renau. I think they did a beautiful job. It comes in lots of different styles, but I want to know, have you tried this one? Okay, this is Jon Renau L, and this color is Malibu Blonde. Y'all, this is such a beautiful, beautiful wig. Now, I've showed you mostly mid-length styles today, and I wanted to do that because for me, as I move into the fall, I like to pull out some of my little bit longer wigs, my mid-length wigs. I'll do another one coming up where I'll show you my short ones, but I really gravitate towards the longer ones in the fall and my short pixies more in the summer. But I just wanted to show you a few of these. Look at the layering on this. This also works great in a ponytail. I have worn this wig in a ponytail many times. So if you're looking for something with a little length that you can wear in a ponytail for the fall, that you might want to wear in an updo, this is one that I think deserves a look. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments if you like these kind of short, fast, run through videos like these. I think they're fun to make. It's a great way for us to connect. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you soon.